My name is David and I would like to show you what the digital twin technology is about, what we created in MADSPACE. What you can see here is a digital touchscreen kiosk with a 4K monitor and the entire space of the Aquapark here in Slovakia on it. We basically solved two very big issues of the Aquapark, and one is information providing and the second is wayfinding. So at the bottom of the screen you can see a list of categories, and each category contains a list of points of interest which are in the aquapark. For example, pools or slides or attractions or gastronomy and some other as well. Thanks to this technology, the people are no longer looking for information which are hidden in the bunch of texts on the websites or something like that, but they are directly accessing it with 1, 2, 3 clicks very easily, very fast, and they get the whole experience in a 3D model which basically looks exactly the same as the reality. And using the digital space to our advantage, we are capable of doing some very interesting stuff that we cannot do in the real world. We can take away the rooftops of the buildings to see inside. We can use the bird's eye view to oversee the entire space. We can control the environment. We can do a lot more. And this is very important because thanks to this, the people are getting exact information without even thinking about them. The biggest problem today is that there is a bunch of information written on the websites or anywhere else, but people, instead of getting the information, consuming it, they are looking for the information, and that's where they waste their energy and space and time. And this is very, very bad. Thanks to this technology, it is very easy, it's gamified, you can see an avatar, you can play and go around and see how it looks like, and when you get into that space, you will remember it from the screen because it will look like the same that you have seen on the screen. It will be familiar. The technology is very easy to control. It's basically a touchscreen. Everybody has a touchscreen in their pocket nowadays, so the whole idea was to give people a very easy, very user-friendly experience and have the best possible view of a large area. This can be applied to any facility that basically applies to the same rule, which is in a small space, in short time, a lot of people meet. So it can be an aquapark, it can be a university campus, it can be a hospital, it can be a skiing resort, it can be a football stadium, it can be anything else. Thanks to this technology, every single thing that is shown there can be applied and people can find it very easily. This technology is built for the kiosk, for an offline version, but we can also build an online version for the website, and it's basically very, very similar with some modifications as well. But what you can see here is basically what we can get to the online space as well. Thanks to this technology, people are not getting lost, people are not forgetting things, people are not missing things when they come and visit the space, and they have a very, very nice and very good feeling when they come and they go inside and they already have some experience, they have some visual knowledge, because we know people are very visual beings. We use this to our advantage to get the best experience to the people and to help them navigate and to and helping them find the information. If you are looking for something special, something that is really amazing and people love it, don't hesitate and contact me. Bye.